Modern Ganesha versus traditional Ganesha, confluence of Bhakti ages. One evening, while everyone was getting ready for dinner at Kailasha, Parvati Devi suddenly asked, "Where is my Ganesha?" Shivaya also said, "Yes, I see he is nowhere to be seen." Meanwhile, a flash of light appeared and a young man arrived there. He had a Bluetooth headset, a smartphone in his hand, a green screen loincloth around his waist, and a note saying Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha and "Hello guys, welcome to my vlog." He got off on a bike from an unknown place. Parvati Devi got confused and asked, "Who are you, Babu?" Then the young man smiled and said, "Mom, I'm your Ganesha. Now I am walking according to the trend. How are you now? Super fast, modern Ganesha." The traditional Ganesha there walked slowly, with a big belly, laddus in his hand, and humbly. "Hey, am I the original Ganesha? Why, has he changed like this?" the traditional Ganesha asked angrily. The modern Ganesha turned his head and said, "Brother, now look at my style, lakhs of followers, people who watch my videos on social media and put sticks, who follows the olden ways." The traditional Ganesha got even angrier and shouted loudly, "You are destroying our devotees. This is all a commercial business." Then Shivaya calmed down and said, "Calm down, Nainala. Let us do a test to see who is the greatest of the two." Test. Go to earth and prove whose devotion is greater and whose influence is greater. Modern Ganesha pressed a remote and a drone came. He sat on it and said, "I have booked a flight to earth. Let's go," and left. Traditional Ganesha slowly sat on the mouse and started his journey. On earth, modern Ganesha landed in a high-tech city. He took a selfie with his phone and posted, "Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha and hey guys, I'm here." Within an hour, lakhs of likes and thousands of comments came. Models, movie stars, and influencers came and gathered around him. "God, bless us with more followers. God, promote our products," they asked. Modern Ganesha smiled and gave them all heart symbols and sent them away. Meanwhile, traditional Ganesha slowly reached a small village. There, an old woman said, "Ganapayya, are you here? If you don't come, I will feel some unknown pain in my heart," and put a chair in front of the house and waited for him. She brought some undralas that she had made with a great love. At that time, a farmer was sitting in his field sad. "God, there is no rain this time either. All my hard work will be in vain," he cried. Traditional Ganesha broke the laddu in his hand, gave it to the farmer, and said, "Be brave, good things will happen." After a few days, two types of discussion started on earth. On one hand, there is a discussion on social media that Ganesha is modern, digital, and fast. On the other hand, people are talking about Ganesha is devotion, humility, and peace. Modern Ganesha has increased followers and likes, but traditional Ganesha has increased devotion in the minds of people. The exam is over. Both of them returned to Kailasha. Shivaya asked, "You are both great, but whose devotion is more powerful?" Modern Ganesha stood with his head down. "Although I have increased followers, I have not been able to solve the problems of the people. The devotees were impressed by my campaign, but I did not understand the pain in their hearts," he said. Traditional Ganesha, on the other hand, said, "God, my devotees not only worshipped me but also shared their hardships and joys with me. I gave them courage. That's all." Shivaya smiled and said, "Modern Ganesha, you have expanded your devotion with your digital power. Traditional Ganesha, you have won the hearts of people with your love and kindness. There is only one part to true devotion, that is pure love, true compassion for people. You may be modern or traditional, but you are not different. You are both the same Ganesha. Whatever form your devotion takes, its main purpose is to benefit people." Then modern Ganesha put his phone aside, hugged traditional Ganesha and said, "Brother, I have learned a big lesson today." From that day on, modern Ganesha used his technology to help devotees. He created awareness on social media, raised funds to help the poor through digital platforms. Traditional Ganesha spread courage and hope to those in distress with his laddus. In this way, both the modern and traditional Ganeshas work together to create a confluence of ages of devotion. Because for devotion, form is not important, but the pure feeling in the mind is what matters.
Friends, please subscribe, like, share, and కామెంట్ మన ఛానల్.